Guys, welcome back. I've decided to cannibalize the forks from the road bike. What is that? That's oil? Ew, yuck. I thought that was rust. It's alright. They're long enough, and there's definitely an issue with them. I'm not too sure what it is. Maybe one of the forks are bent more than the other. But like I said, when you go to turn, it turns into the turn. It's weird. It feels like it's gonna throw you over the handlebars. I don't know if it's the frame itself or the forks. Either ways, I don't even care. I can replace these easily. So, okay. So what we have to do is we have to cut this here and leave this sleeve inside the aluminum or the steel sleeve. And then what we're gonna do is obviously remove that. Gonna save that for another set of forks. We're gonna cut it here and here and taper it off to the point where this tube down here will slide into this tube, and this cup or race should be flush on the top here. And then what we do, this piece that's inside the metal cup here, we'll just give it a quick spot weld just to keep it from popping out. It should be fine because this one here is already tapered and it won't pull up. It doesn't have to be perfection. I don't want to overheat the aluminum. But if I do that, it's going to give me the extra that I have on the top for whatever I have to do. Put spacers and the cups and everything else. Like what I'll do is I'll bring this down and I'll put the first race on. And then I'll bring this down and then put the second one on, so it's like sandwiched. Keep this from moving around. We'll figure it out, but it will work. Like I said, for the top one here, we'll have to make. What we'll do is we'll take a piece of this, cut about this much, and then what we'll do is we'll put a slit in it and put it over top of the 1 inch. And when we tighten this down here, it'll basically just clamp around this. We'll give it a nice tight fit, and we'll use this as a sleeve or a wedge. Anyway, I gotta get it outside, and I gotta pull this off first. Pull this off, save that for the next set of forks, and we'll take it outside and zip, see what happens. Well, that's the end of this vlog, guys. So I cut a piece off the tube, made a sleeve, as you can see. It doesn't fit loosely, fits tightly, so if I take a little bit off the sleeve with the grinder, it should fit in there nicely. So that takes care of the top. Now the bottom is a little bit wider, a little bit thicker than 1 inch. So I started taking some off on the inside, as you can see, still warm. By the time I'm done, I'll be able to slide that in there, and then what I'll do is I'll grind this off and leave this lip here for the race. But this from here to here will be the same diameter as this, and then I can just basically slip it in. That's the plan. And then once it's in there, spot weld, beep, 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 and it should be fine. It won't fall out. But that's it for today, guys. Take it easy.